Okay, so here we go today. Micro Mod Dude here again with my Insta 360 mounted on my Redcat Tornado on here, and heavily modified with all kinds of upgrades. It's already recording, so let's go. Let's do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go down here. Let's go down here, you guys. Oh yeah? San Marcos, eh?
That does good, never mind. You know, Mike can turn in that flip?
Yeah.
Because the white kid. Those tires are
Oh! Damn. Damn, thank you, Xenia. Scratched it.
This is the GoPro?
No, it's my Insta 360. All right, here we go again. Let's go. Let's go for a car.
Don't crash.
Hang on.
You don't need a camera. You'll be fine. Don't crash it.
Who's are you driving? Don't crash it. Whatever you do, those tires will break. Mine's faster than Jose's.
Oh, you need to align.
I think mine's faster than both of you.
You need to align her.
What do you mean?
Look, naturally it goes to the left.
Come on, Jose's race. Go.
Are you hitting the car?
Turtle. Dang, Fufu, you're good at that.
Mine cheats.
The guys? Give me.
Yeah, Fufu, you need to work on hers.
Fast. You're faster than mine.
Because hers has a 3-cell battery. It's the wrong battery.
You're just fast.
Don't crash mine, please.
This is so fast.
Please
Why
don't
are you
crash
so
mine.
fast?
Because they already broke his?
I'm just gonna go slow. This thing's too fast. Like Gilligan's Island.
Hers got 3-cell, that's why it's so fast. It's too fast.
It's too fast, so it goes slow. I can't go that fast on this, or I can't do it. It's too fast.
Wait, I'm gonna hit my Nino.
All right, stop for a second. Whoa. It's a good space here to drive it on, huh?
Oh yeah. The beaches, you see at the beach, dude. But I'll show you about the problem at the beach.
You can get video at the beach?
I don't have a thing. I'm gonna show you though.
Oh, you got to get a GoPro next.
This is the problem with these though. People are lucky or figuring out is that sand was getting into here. So I put silicone. So someone's getting in the gears, we're getting in there.
So you had to take it apart and clean it?
I took it apart and let's see, like I sealed it with silicone.
Well, that's crazy.
You're pretty good at that. But better than me. Big time.
Yeah.
And then I replaced all the, well, some of them. See the original, those are the original colors of the hex.
Yeah.
I put stainless on there so they don't rust.
I see.
It was like $20 for the whole set.
Yeah.
These tires were $70 for the whole set.
Wow. How'd you know what tires to get?
YouTube.
YouTube?
I just kept looking at other people what they had.
Yeah, that's pretty.
better than
So the tires you had before were really smaller?
They're just a little bit, they're like, I don't know, they're just a little smaller.
Yeah.
These are just, it goes.
'Cause that's 1/8 scale. It's
1/8
huge.
scale,
I'm
Yeah.
gonna
The
get
next
that.
one.
Did you know it was that big, the 1/8 scale?
Yeah.
You already knew?
I didn't want the bigger one. I could have bought the bigger one, the X Max.
Yeah.
It's just too big.
Yeah, that one's big as it's too though.
This is perfect for me though.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Sorry.
And then it just, you don't need, it's okay. I already have other, I have another servo on the way already today.
That thing, it was too sensitive. I was turning and I just turned.
Because I broke it the last time I used it.
So it's already broken.
Yeah, but I actually, this servo I put on the other day but it was an old servo.
He smoked mine, my first one. Don't
Yeah, hang on, go. Have you crashed it bad yet?
No.
You know, good at driving it.
I'm just real sensitive with it.
Take it all the way down that way and then come back, like I do. That's what I do. I go all the way down and then I come all the way back. Just be careful with her because she...
Oh, I know.
That was cool.
He's screaming.
One time I went so hard, I went BAM against that right on the side. That was my old tires that I had and I cracked the tires. I cracked the rims.